Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to skip the CD Projekt Red launcher for Cyberpunk 2077 on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Library tab. Go ahead and click on it to access your game collection. Now, I should mention that I don't actually have Cyberpunk 2077 in my Steam account at the moment, but I'm going to walk you through the exact process anyway. Let's pretend that I have Cyberpunk 2077 in my Steam library so you can follow along step by step. In the left panel where all your games are listed, locate Cyberpunk 2077. Right-click on the game title, and you'll see a context menu appear with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This will open a new window with various settings and configurations for the game. Once the Properties window is open, look for the Launch Options section. You'll see a text field directly below it. Click on that text field to activate it, and then type in the following command exactly as I'm saying it: --launcher -skip space -skip start screen. Make sure you enter this precisely as shown, including the spaces and hyphens in the correct positions. After you've entered the launch option, simply close the Properties window. Now you're ready to test it out. Try launching your Cyberpunk 2077 and you should notice a significant difference in how the game starts up. This launch option is specifically designed to make Cyberpunk 2077 start faster by bypassing extra startup screens and the separate launcher from Steam. It essentially skips the CD Projekt Red launcher entirely, getting you into the game much more quickly. This means fewer clicks and less waiting time between launching the game and actually playing it. And that's all there is to it. You've now configured Cyberpunk 2077 to skip the launcher and start up more efficiently. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.